at the poor wrap, guys. The wrap is all damaged, bro, and melted. I think we gotta take off the wrap. All of that is from the flames. I think we gotta take off the wrap. But what's up, guys? Thank you for watching another video. Not only is the wrap messed up from the flames, I burnt the wrap. But not only is that messed up, but we also have a flat tire. It's not flat completely, but it is very low. So we gotta put some air in it, and we're gonna go to the tire shop and try to patch it because I think someone messed with my car, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Let me see if I can show you. Yesterday, when I was on the way to my tattoo appointment, I was bringing the GTR, and I couldn't bring it because it said I had a flat tire. So today is the next day, and I'm gonna try to fix it, but see if I can find the tire. Hold on. Oh, there you go. Look at this, guys. We got not only one, but two nails in my tire. This one is the one that I'm scared of because it's on the edge, and I'm not sure if someone could patch that. I'm gonna go to a tire shop right now and see if they could patch both of these. I haven't checked the rest of the tires, but guys, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like someone did this on purpose. There's no way I got two nails in one tire. And like I said, I haven't checked the other ones, but I'm sure we're gonna find more nails in all my tires. And you guys know, these tires are not cheap, bro. These tires are very expensive. You can even see it's almost flat. I'm gonna check the PSI right now, but oh, this sucks. Whether it's one tire or all the tires, I do not want to buy new tires for this car yet. They're very expensive. They're Mickey Thompson's. Last time I paid like $2 grand almost for all the tires. And also they're all back ordered. I don't know about now, but back then it took me months to find it. If you guys remember, I was on stock wheels for like 2 or 3 months because I could not find Mickey Thompson's anywhere in stock. So hopefully that's not the issue, and I'm not gonna just buy one tire. I feel like I'm gonna have to buy at least 2 of the front tires or something. I don't know. And like I said, I still have to check all the other ones to see if they have nails too, but I feel like someone did this on purpose, guys. I'm not gonna lie, the last time I drove this car, I was driving back from Laguna Beach, I believe. And on the way home, I think I accidentally cut somebody off. I'm sorry, I drive fast. But then that car cut me off, and I could have sworn, I swear, bro, I seen them throw something out the window. And then in my head, like during that happened, I was like, imagine like he threw something out my window to f up my car. And now that I have the nails on my tire, I'm like, what if he threw like nails outside of his window and made me had a flat tire or something? I don't know, just because he was mad or hating because I have a GTR or something. I don't know, bro. I hope that's not the case. I hope I don't find more nails in all my tires. But we're gonna go to the tire shop right now. Hopefully I make it there without it going flat. But yeah, I think someone did it on purpose, guys. I think someone vandalized my GTR. I think someone messed up my GTR, bro. I hope not. Oh, I thought that was another nail. I was about to trip out. It says only the front one is flat, so hopefully none of the other ones are flat. Let's go to the tire shop and figure this out. Also, by the way, I got my tattoo yesterday. If you guys have not watched that video, go watch it right now. Show some love on that video. It's not a car video, so I know it's probably not gonna do that good at first, but go show some love, go watch the tattoo video, show some support, and show some support to the artist too, because he killed it, and I can't wait for you guys to see the rest of the tattoos that I get. We plan on doing the rest of my arms very, very soon, and we're probably gonna work on the next arm. But wow, bro, I am in pain, bro. I cannot move my arm. Also, I got a huge pimple under my nose. You guys can probably see how swollen it is. Everything's bad right now. What's going on right now, bro? All right, it says 24 PSI, so it's pretty low. I'm gonna drive it slow to the gas station right now and just fill it up. If you guys know about tires, I think if you get a nail like on the edge where this one is, it's not patchable. So hopefully this tire shop's able to do it. We're gonna go right now and we're gonna see. But anything to save me from buying a new tire right now, because these tires still have a little bit of life. I'm not trying to buy all new Mickey Thompsons again right now. Also, look, we got a new radar detector. No more tickets, hopefully. Shout out to my dad for getting me this for Christmas, but that was tight. Hopefully I don't get any more tickets. But I've never had a radar detector, so hopefully this one's good, and hopefully it keeps me out of trouble. I don't even know how it works. I don't know if I programmed it right or whatever. I don't know. I just plugged it in, and let's see if it works. All right, guys, we made it to the tire shop. Back here, we're gonna figure out how can we fix this nail. I want to check the other tires too. I'm gonna see if they can check the other ones too. But look what they have here, guys. This is one of my favorite looking Audi, besides the R8 obviously, but this is my favorite looking Audi. The wagon, shit is so clean with HRE wheels. Those look like some big ass wheels too, probably like 21s, 22s, but they look good, and it's bagged. It's just fire. RS6. That's the daily right there. I need one of these for a daily. But yeah, super sick. We got it in the shop. My boy's gonna take it off. and hopefully it's fixable. I'll show you guys where it is. But look at this one, it's on the end.
Is there?
It's not gonna work?
No, no es bueno.
Look at this, guys. So this is one right in the middle. That one's patchable. But this is the one that I was worried about. And he said it's a 50-50 chance, bro, that we're able to save this. Just my luck, bro. Out of everyone the tire could have hit, it hit right on the edge. No?
Voy a tratar.
Well, guys, we might have to buy another tire. And I'm probably not gonna just buy one. I'm probably gonna have to buy two. Probably just the front ones, hopefully. Wait, is that a... I think that's a nail. Bro. I think someone fucked with me. There's another one, guys. I think someone really threw nails on the floor so I could run them over. That's so messed up. So that one has two. That one looks like it has one. I have not checked the other ones, but I'm trying to save this tire, guys. Hopefully. All right, guys, hopefully it holds air. Now we gotta check this one. The cool STI up there. These cars are sick. What do you guys think? Comment down below. You think someone set me up? Or you think it was just a random accident that I ran over some nails? I swear I saw that car throw something out the window. These little things are sick, like little Hondas. I'm still sick too, by the way. I don't know how I'm still sick, guys. I've been sick for over a week. Well, shout out to these guys at Best Tire Shop of Fontana. I came here last time to rebalance all my wheels and tires, and literally my balance thing and everything was perfect, bro. And right now they just helped me patch these tires. He said that it should be holding air. I'm just gonna be careful just in case, but he says that I should be good with those patches that they did. I think they like really patched it up. So we'll see. Fortunately, we only found, well, fortunately and unfortunately, we only found nails in two of the tires, the two right side, the front and the back. Nothing on the left side, thankfully. We're back in the GTR. I can't believe we're over here. You're in my hood finally.
I know, bro. We gotta take a drive. Let's go see what it's about, bro.
Finally, Dre drives more than me. Guys, every car meet we go to, if you guys have been watching my vlogs for a while, you guys know that I live very far from LA and everything. So I'm always driving an hour to car meets. But today, this car meet was only 20 minutes away from my house and Jay had to drive the hour. I love seeing more BMWs, bro. E92 M3. Sick, bro. Anyways, guys, we just made it to this car meet. What's up? Thank you for watching another video. We just made it here to a car meet. Like I said, it was very close by to the house, so I thought I'd pull up, make a vlog for you guys. We made it.
Yes, sir.
Jay, the homies, all the homies.
We're cruising.
What's up, bro? Haven't seen you in a minute, bro.
David.
I'm trying to get my MPGs up, bro.
For real?
Yeah, we're just cruising.
Got the homie with the Supra. This shit is so sick.
Where is Peter?
We should have told Gustavo to come. I want to see both of you guys' cars next to each other.
That's what I told you.
Oh, but he doesn't have the carbon hood anymore, huh? It's literally Gustavo's twin. They would look sick together. But yeah, made it to this car meet. Let's go check out some cool cars. Jay's car looks sick, guys. But yeah, thank you guys for watching another video. If you guys are new to the channel, smash that subscribe button right now. Smash the like button before we even get into the video. If you guys enjoy my videos. Oh, my camera again. No more iPhone.
No more iPhone? Why the camera?
I don't know, I just want to bring the camera out. It's
Bro,
different quality.
The Infinity has the GTR, like
Should we do lights like this? Let's do it.
I'm down, let's do it.
This camera's ass, bro. Now I know why I switched to iPhone. We got some 350Zs, guys. I should have brought mine. These are pretty hard. I need to drive mine more. I'm just realizing that right now. I really do need to drive mine. These are clean. Sick. What do you guys think? Should I sell my Z? I had someone offer me money for my Z. I need to make a video about that, but should I sell it or no? I'm thinking sell the Z and put the money toward the F80. Get the F80 ASAP. Look, 370, 350. Uh-oh. so funny, bro. At car meets, one person revs it, and then everybody revs it. You think it's fast? It probably is fast, bro. I don't trust these cars.
ZEs, bro. Right?
You know I got gapped by one before?
Those are the ones that Peter has, right? It's the same rims as Peter.
Damn, all over Peter. Nah, these shits are quick though. I've gotten gapped by a few, low key.
At least he can launch it. I don't know about Peter.
What is that, bro?
The cars are gonna come right now, bro. They're gonna be fucked, bro. That bar we gotta want.
Bro, a Malibu?
That was a Malibu. A Cruise, bro. Chevy Cruise.
It sounds pretty sick. It low-key sounds better than David's car.
Hey, bro, don't put
At least he got
You're
burp.
gonna be hating on me.
What?
You're gonna make fun of my fucking lip. My non-existent lip. We brought Nick to his store.
That's not my store, bro. That's Jay's store. Jay's a dog.
For your food.
Sick ass food.
Why'd you say it like that, bro?
Bro, the lights turned off.
They had they closed. Why tell them just close that shit on us?
No way it closed. We're about to go to McDonald's and get something.
That's what it's called. That's discrimination. Nah, I'm just kidding.
She said no. We wanted apple pie, bro.
I really wanted just 2 apple pies.
The car was in front of McDonald's, so we tried to get something, but they're closed.
Oh. Bro, I swear to God, they did that shit because they seen us walking. They seen a whole group of Mexicans. I swear, bro, they're like, oh shit, that's fucking 10 extra patties right there.
Look, some more BMWs pulled up. F80. You should have brought yours, David.
Bro,
David doesn't ever drive his car, guys.
Bro, you didn't tell me.
Nah, show him your story right now.
What do you mean?
This fool called my GTR an Uber. Because you're always in my car. F80. It's white.
It looks so wide bodied, huh? Look at the back.
I know.
Like,
the rear end does look wide body. That's what I love about the M3s, guys. Like the fender literally pops out like it's wide body.
Because if it's white though, it looks like a regular like 328i or something, you know?
Yeah, you just gotta slam it and do stuff to it. But I want one, guys. Soon. This thing sounded sick when it came in. I think it has a rotary in it. Another Supra. Shit's on bags, bro. Sheesh. Hella slam. I miss having a car on bags. Can you guys believe that? I really had a E92 on bags. I'm telling Jay we should put Christmas trees on top of both our cars and go to the snow, but Jay's scared to go to the snow in his car.
Bro, I'm gonna tell him I said right now.
She sounds like a dinosaur.
Good dinosaur. You think I could jump over it?
It's pretty low, huh? That shit looks so low, bro. You miss your Mustang, David? David really used to be a Mustang guy. We converted him to a Beamer guy.
Oh, you still a Mustang?
Bro, he had 2 Mustangs already.
What was done to it? My 13 was full bolt on the 85.
My boy had the full bolt on GT500.
Yeah, GT500.
But now what? BMWs only? I don't know how we convinced David to do it, but he did it, guys.
They're cool, but I mean,
Mustangs are sick though.
Well,
David's was literally the same color, bro.
they're just fun. You can do so much shit to them.
And yours was a new one, huh?
Yeah.
What was it?
I never drove it.
10 speed?
Yeah, and I never drove it. Bro, I put like 10K miles in like 2.5 years on that shit.
I got you. Dad, look at this. If you're gonna give me a sweater, I'm down, bro. But look at the Santa hat. There's no way, bro. That's the biggest Santa hat I've ever seen. How'd they even do that, bro?
Yeah, it's like the hat for like David's big ass hat. My other head, huh?
Look, everyone got Christmas trees, bro. Everyone has Christmas stuff, but us.
His car says Booty Patrol. Look.
She sounds like a GTR, huh?
Oh, he does.
Bro, Jay's so fried, bro.
I'm tired.
She really has a hood exit. I knew it. I could hear it.
Yeah, what the fuck?
That's crazy. She sounds crazy. What the heck? Shit has to be swapped, right? Does that come in those cars?
Huh?
Oh, he swapped it.
Fuck no, bro. Nice twin turbo.
Missed it.
He's cutting the grass to let
Oh, look what they started, guys. What is that, bro? God damn.
You can't even fucking.
It sounds like a gunshot for sure. I'm gonna miss it. Watch. By the time I get here, they're gonna start revving it. I already know.
Oh, the Mustang.
My boy got mad. My boy got mad, bro. This shit just made some noise.
Oh, hell no, bro. that tripped me out.
That's crazy.
Imagine you're honking on the freeway, like in Forza.
All the boats. Jay, let's do Underglow, bro. It's gonna be hard. Oh shit! My boy went off-roading, bro. That one will burn out.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see him.